So first video documenting my progress in my Runkeeper project. The aim of this project is to take all the runs I've tracked using my Runkeeper app in my phone and try to overlay them in the same map to see perhaps areas that I have not explored, in this case of the region of Gothenburg. Um, this is the progress that I have so far. I'm running into memory issues because I cannot plot more than 70 runs or so. So I have to figure out a way to get around that. But other than that, it looks pretty good. I can zoom in. It will show me, well, if I've in some areas that I've repeated runs over and over, it will show me that repetition. And then also if I hover on top of each of the runs, it will show me the date of that round. So then I can go back to that if I think it's interesting. And I've coded everything using Python and using Folium as the base map and GPXPy for parsing each of the GPS files. So hopefully I can get around the memory issue thing and maybe add some more visualization stuff. But it's pretty good progress so far.